Thank you for watching. I would like to explain the functions of this site. Click to read. This is a function that reads aloud when you click on it. You can operate and set speed, pitch, volume, no explanation, explanation provided, activation, deactivation of text emphasis, manual stop, automatic stop, etc. Automatic scrolling. This is an automatic scrolling feature. Automatic scrolling on, off, speed, and pitch can be operated and set. Click copy. Click copy is a function that copies when you click. This is set to the location where you want to copy and paste. You can change the characters in the sentence by setting the following and clicking the Change button. Input section emphasis. Emphasize the part to input to the server. Emphasis on changes. Highlight the changes you made in this form. Workgroup name. Please enter the workgroup name of the client PC. NetBIOS name. Enter the name of the server in your network of your choice. Shared folder name. Please enter the name of the shared folder within your network. Shared folder path. Please enter the path of the shared folder that you have chosen. Fedora37. File server settings. Link. Installing Samba. Initial settings for Samba. Installing Samba. Install Samba. Initial settings for Samba. Backup Samba configuration files. Configure Samba. Create the file. Create a shared folder. It will start automatically. Restart. Restart the client Windows PC and select Network, Linux, Open, Share, and confirm that you can write. If __network, _Linux is not displayed, right-click anywhere on the desktop and create a new folder. Right-click the folder to create a shortcut, right-click the shortcut, open Properties, and change the link destination to _Linux, and connect. Thank you for watching until the end. I hope this was helpful.